Good morning. Today on the bench we have this awesome device, and you can guess what it is. Yes, my friends, this is AIWA HS-PX30. Damn, this looks mint condition, but we have some actual damage. Where is my pointing device? Oh, right over here. There is a dent over here. Right here we have some damage. Also buttons looks a bit damaged. Okay, these switches looks all right actually. Okay, right over here, do we have some corrosion? No, it's totally nice. Okay, so let's put those aside. Let's focus on the device itself. Okay. So what do we have right over here? I can see some hair. Yeah, and I do not want to know from where that hair is. Also, the pinch rollers, they are look fine, but just need a good cleanup. Dirty pinch rollers. Yeah, dirty capstans, and head looks a bit worn, but nothing major, totally nothing major. And the head looks worn, but totally okay. Let's check device with some power. Let's put in the battery. What the? Oh, crazy stuff is going on. Okay, play. Okay, this device is doing crazy stuff right here. So I think let's just stop, and that's it. And it is not stopping. Okay. Nice. This one can be very hard one actually, but I think we will do some magic in the end. Okay, at first let's disassemble device. Someone definitely was inside, because this screw was over tightened, and you see it's a bit damaged the casing, but nothing major. Oh my god, what do we have? I think on the other side we will see lots of corrosion. Okay, so straight away let's just remove those ribbons and let's remove the PCB. Okay, I think transport looks very clean actually. Yeah, very clean. Let's put this aside. Let's focus on that one. Yeah. All the capacitors are gone, actually. As you can see. Except I think those two will be survivals, but we will change them definitely. And we have a problem with logic. I hope that we will be able to solve this. Let's start removing those nasty capacitors. Okay. We have corrosion right over here. That doesn't look good at all. And right over here, there is a nightmare, actually. We can see the nightmare right over here. Let's remove those two also. But before that, let's clean a bit this place so that less fumes would be released. Those tend to survive actually. Yeah, those are still okay, but we will definitely replace them as a preventive maintenance. We have to remove this potentiometer. yeah, let's go straight to the deep cleaning, and I'll be back soon. Okay, till then. Okay, so I'm back after a deep cleaning process, and let's put those shitheads away. Straight to the bin where they're supposed to go. Yeah. Okay, so right now, let's remove those leftovers of the capacitors, and then we will do investigation of vias and PCB tracks if everything is fine. Yeah, so let's do that. So cleaning was quite good. Right now I will check all the vias, and I'll be back after that with the result, and we will see what we will do next. Till then. Okay, so I have tested the board. We have had some broken vias, and I have successfully repaired all of those. Right now, let's just start soldering all new capacitors back into the board. Okay, let's do some treatment for switches. The switches are okay. So right now let's clean potentiometer, and we will solder this one back, and also let's solder in those two capacitors. Okay, so we are finished with the PCB. Let's hope that it will work fine. Okay, right now we will start repairing tape transport. Okay, let's see what do we have right over here. I think let's remove tape door. Let's also check the buttons, because if they are messed up, then we will have some problems. Okay, let's do the cleaning for them. Oh yeah, just look at that. And those are different switches from the other machines, as I can see. Okay, so that's it with this one, and let's start with tape transport. Okay, but before that, let's assemble maybe tape door. Okay, so I finished with the tape door. Good. So right now let's do tape transport. Okay, so let's continue with the tape transport. Belt, shot. Well, this one we are gonna lube because it does not spin like I would like to spin it, like I would like it. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, further. Yeah, maybe let's remove the head block. This one is also free. Good. So we're done with this part. Now the head block. Because this machine is a high hours machine, let's remove those pressure rollers. Okay, I have put in a bit of oil inside this mechanism because it should be free. Okay, that's it with that. Also, I'm gonna do quickly head photo, close shot one. Okay, let's proceed. Over. Finished with the tape transport. So let's put back the door. Then we will solder everything back together and we will see what result we got. Right now, let's start soldering everything back together. Okay, before everything else, let's check. Now it is still doing that crazy stuff. Let's try to connect this and we will see. When this happens, damn, I just don't know what maybe could be wrong. We will check some things and we'll see in that. Okay, let's connect headphones. And what do we have? And it instantly starts to spin. Yeah, there is something wrong with logical part, but let's see if we have the sound right now. This is interesting for me. Okay. Okay, we have the sound. What about okay, so the DSL working, sound is working. Now it just do what it wants. So we have crazy mechanism. Let me investigate and I will be back. Okay, so let me do a bit of explanation. Okay, where is my goddamn pointing device? It's always him. So right here everything is okay. When it starts, just when you plug in the battery, it is showing some voltage and then stops. and then the device starts to just fast forward or rewind. I do not remember what it is doing. And I have checked this pin. This is on off for the motor, and right over here on the collector I got the voltage about 1 volt, and this was enough to trigger the motor on function, and it was always on spinning. After changing this double transistor package, problem went away, just magically went away. And this is that one, that component. Okay, so let me assemble and solder everything back together, and I'll be back to do testing. Okay, so I have assembled the bit device, and you hear quietness, yeah? You hear quietness. And okay, rewind, fast forward. Every function works now just fine. I have also tested the DSL, and they work just fine also. Whew. that was a bit scary when the motor was running all the time. Okay, good. Let's remove the battery, the cassette, this one, and I think at this part we can assemble the device a bit more, and we can start adjusting it. Let me see, I think this one is, yeah, this one is with the batteries. Okay, you see quietness. Okay, let's put in, at first, let's check tape speed and 1/4. Let's put the cassette in. And let's get PC in right here somehow. I'll be back soon. Okay, so I have prepared everything. Let's then start. Okay. So play. We are running too slow. Just like that. This will be perfectly fine. Now another side. This is because the azimuth. And this side is running a bit too fast, as I can see. Okay, so let's do the middle part then. Okay. So it should be somewhere like that. Yeah, I think it would be fine. And another side again. Yeah, we are definitely in the range. Okay, so I think this will be just fine for this device. Actually, wow and flutter is a bit on the higher side, but this machine worked a lot in the past, so not judge it. Okay, next, let's set the azimuth. As always, I'll do this and I'll post in some photos, so till then. Okay, so I have set azimuth. Now right now let's set dolby levels. And let's start. Okay, so ground. Let's pick it right over here and then left channel. Oh, they are saying to use that. Let's see if we are getting the same results. Okay, so left. Maybe 1 millivolt higher, yeah? Okay, let's try to put those. I waited too much. Okay, let's rewind a bit. Okay, I think this will be enough. Okay, so left one. 7. Come on. Okay, let's put it at the top. 100, okay, and the right one. 94. 100. So 100 and come on. 103. Okay, 100 and 100. Okay, another side. Another side. One oh nine, 10. Okay, so we are perfectly in the specification that service manual gives, yeah? So that's it. Let's assemble the device and we will test it with some music as always in the end, yeah? Okay, so let's do this. Let me prepare for this. Okay, so let's test the device. for the final time. Okay, let's use this one. This player deserves that cassette. And maybe before testing, let's do tape head demagnetizing. Let's do final cleaning. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's metal and okay, let's start. Another side. Rewind, fast forward. All functions are working just fine. So this is gonna be it regarding this beautiful AIWA HS-PX30. Oh, it's PX303, but PX30, 303 and PX900 are the same actually models. Well, regarding this, I will not be able to fix it in any case. Regarding that dent, I have managed to pull it out and it looks a bit better. Those buttons, they were mashed. I think somebody was angry because device is always in the loop stage and always running that motor, and they were bashing just those buttons. And well, it's sad, but what you can do, yeah. Otherwise, device itself looks very beautiful, and it is going back to the customer, and customer, I think, will be very happy about that. So this is it regarding this device. As always, I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.